Okay, now let's check the data source of full outer join query. Okay, so let's just simply remove this, and now we will have the rows coming from our full outer join query. Okay, so these are all the rows, these are all those 13 rows. Okay, so let's go to the worksheet. Okay, so in the worksheet I am using call outcomes, okay, and the student IDs and their respective call dates. Alright, so I want to use call outcome all here. Okay, all. Alright, sorry, call outcome all was originally from the other other sheet, other data sheet, and here we will be using call outcome. So our call outcome contains all the possible distinct call outcome values. Alright, so let's edit our calculation here. Here we are using our call outcome field. Alright, so this is the same, and apply. Okay, let's drag it into the text. Okay, yeah, yes, so we do have the same data that we want to achieve using previously using the cross join. Alright, so except this null and the call date, because we were getting nulls in our rows as well, so we can simply hide this null. Okay, alright, so and to replace all this non-showing value with 0, let's do this here. Again. Alright, so yeah, now this is interesting. This is something interesting, that why we are getting 0 only here and we are not getting 0 anywhere else. This is because, okay, if you closely observe the data, then we do have that row present. Let me just expand it for more clear visualization. Okay, let's just visualize it here. Okay, so we do have that row present here, for which there is data, but we are not encountering it in our application. Alright, so we are not using that time range, that date range in our calculation condition. That's why it is showing 0 because there was row present in our data set. That is why it is showing 0 for that particular cell, that particular for that particular field value. Okay, so why we are not getting zeros anywhere else? Because these are the also field values for which there is no data present according to our comparison condition. We are not getting zeros here because the data, there is no such row present here for that for that for that value for that value conditions. Like there is no such row on date 1/3 January 3 for interested call outcome. Okay, there is no such row. You can see there is no such row for date January 3 for interested, or there is no such row at date January 3 for not interested. Okay, so what? Okay, so that's why it is showing, it is nothing, it is not showing either 0. Okay, because it was not getting any row. If it 0 will be only replacing the nulls for which data is present in our data set. Alright, so what we are gonna do for this is, we are gonna use the lookup function. Alright, here you will see the magic of lookup function and another, you can see another functionality about the lookup function. Okay, what is wrong here? Let's check this function. Okay, alright, so this is our lookup condition. This lookup condition will check if there is any call outcome present, data present in there, then it will replace, okay, it will replace it with sum of this calculation. Otherwise, if there is no data present, then it will simply replace it with 0. And yeah, I think this is our closing bracket for lookup. This is our closing bracket for that function. So let's use this here. Okay, let's check it again. Why is it replacing? Okay, just let's simply drag our calculation here and then use this for lookup, and this second bracket is for written function. Okay, second and then lookup. Yeah, so here we have zeros all over there for which data is not present. So basically the lookup, what lookup has done, lookup is checking here that if there is any calculation present, okay, show that one, and if there is any row present for this value of data, then replace it with something, okay, and the 0 is replacing that something with zn function is replacing that something with 0. Okay, the 0 in the lookup here is not the 0 you are seeing here. Okay, this 0 means that we are gonna get something for this row. Okay, we're gonna get something for this row, and the offset is 0. Okay, this is what the 0 means here. Alright, so yeah, that was our approach while using the full outer join, and we have reduced the overhead of cross join as well. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you for